Today we will be presenting the prototype for our app Cycle, the bicycle generator with the interactive GUI. Here we have the bicycle. It is securely attached into the trainer here so that the back wheel is suspended and can spin freely while the bicycle stays stationary. We have our RPM sensor here. It's a Hall sensor that senses the presence of a magnetic field. And we have a magnet attached to the wheel of the bicycle so that every time the magnet passes it, it counts as one rotation. Here we have our two push buttons in the handles that will control the character in the game. These sensors are both connected to the Raspberry Pi via this breadboard. Here we have our screen and our two Raspberry Pis. One of them contains the media operating system and the other one contains the GUI with the current statistics and the games. They're connected to this touch screen, one with HDMI, the other one with DVI. We use a HDMI to DVI adapter to connect that one. And then the touchscreen functionality is connected to both Raspberry Pis via this USB switch. Over here, we have the circuit that routes the power from the generator to our devices. We have three-phase power coming out of the generator by this black wire here. The three phases are coming from these three wires, the green, yellow, and blue. They're connected to a three-phase bridge rectifier, which changes the three-phase AC into a DC signal. And from this DC signal, we come to a boost voltage regulator. So because there will be variable voltage coming from the generator depending on how fast you spin it, we have this regulator to boost up any voltage to 48, because we're getting anywhere from 7 to 44 volts from this generator. So it changes the voltage to 48 here, and then it's connected to this regulator, which brings it back down to 12, which is what we're using to power our devices and to charge the battery. So the 12 volts coming out of here is connected to each one of the Raspberry Pis via these two 12 to 5 volt converters down here. The screen, which takes 12 volts, is being powered straight from this regulator through this wire here. And then this device in my hand is a charge controller, which will be connected to the battery to charge it with this 12 volts. And when the battery is full, the charge controller tells it to stop charging the battery so as not to damage it. The speed increases. If you decrease in RPMs, the speed decreases. The other Raspberry Pi, when you have it switched to position 1, on the USB switcher, it changes the touchscreen to be able to use with this Raspberry Pi. And you can log into Netflix